Today I was about to move into a really nice town, right by the water, in Tanzania. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I recently came to Africa and the island of Zanzibar, outside the coast of Tanzania, close to Madagascar and Kenya. And I will be traveling around this island. I stayed here in this hotel for a bit, but it's time to head out and go a bit further to the beach. And first I'll be going to a different hotel, and then I will be going out hopefully on a boat trip to see some huge turtles. They're supposed to be like a meter wide, I think. Really old and ancient turtles. They hang out on an island over here called Prison Island. So I will be checking out of the hotel now and taking a tuk-tuk over to my next hotel. Okay, thank you. I'm about to go here, and Ali, I met Ali here at this hotel. He's a really nice guy, and it's time to say goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye. Thank you.
Okay.
Hope to see you again.
You too.
Also,
I come back maybe.
Yes.
Oh, I go to Stone Town.
Ah, Stone Town. You are coming?
Come back?
You come back?
Maybe. Stone Town.
Stone Town.
Yeah.
And come back?
Maybe.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, my friend. Thank you.
Okay, goodbye. So I'm walking out of the hotel, and I said goodbye to a few people that I met there. Really nice and friendly people. It was a peaceful day, and I was happy to be going somewhere again with just my bag. I wasn't sure where I was gonna be staying, but I would figure it out. Okay.
I come from to school.
Ah, school.
I mean that planning.
Okay. So I'm here on this road now, and I'm trying to get a tuk-tuk to go to Stone Town. There was one tuk-tuk or a taxi. We'll see how it goes, if I can find one. I was on a small island, part of Tanzania, in East Africa. I was supposed to have been going to the north part of the island already, but I had been moving really slowly. So I've noticed people speak really good English here actually. Everybody speaks English. I was a bit surprised. Oh, I go to Stone Town. Ferry term is 7,000. Okay.
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, Stone Town.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Ramadan.
Hamadan?
Ramadan.
Ramadan.
Yeah.
My name is William.
Yeah, okay.
Ah.
Yes, my friend. Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the ferry terminal.
Ferry.
Ferry, yes.
Ferry, okay.
Yes.
Ferry to the boat.
Sorry?
The boat ferry.
The boat, yes. No, not the boat, but to a hotel. But the hotel is next to the ferry.
You give me, thank you, my brother. My brother from where?
Sweden.
From Sweden.
Sweden, yes. Hey, for you.
For me.
It's for the petrol, no? Or,
No,
petrol. Where do you come from?
I'm from Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm cheesy.
Okay.
Hey. She asks you when you comb your hair.
When I cut it.
Yeah.
Cut?
Comb it.
I don't know.
You don't comb it. You don't comb it.
Maybe 1 year.
1 year.
In 1 year, long. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
It was a hot day, but the breeze was so nice, and I was looking forward to jumping into the water. The ride over to the town would only take 10 minutes. I had arrived back in Stone Town, a city of 20,000 people. First I would go to a hotel and then go and explore the really famous spice market. I can give you 10. You give me 7, I give you 10. A little bit extra for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Hello. Hi. I have a reservation. Okay. In my name, William. What is your name?
My name is Munir.
Munir.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You come from Zanzibar?
Yeah.
Tanzania?
Yeah, I belong here.
Ah, okay.
Yes, this is where I belong.
Nice. It's a very nice island.
Oh, sure. Really?
Yeah.
I don't think so for myself because...
You've seen it so many years. I come from Sweden, and when I'm in Sweden it's not so nice because
so nice.
I saw 20 years I saw Sweden, but here it's nice.
Here it's nice.
Yeah.
Zanzibar is over nice than Sweden.
I had arrived at a hotel called Smiles in Stone Town, and it looked really cool on the inside. So here is the next hotel that I came into. I paid $25 per night here, and actually I use an app called Trivago, and on that app all these different booking sites show up, and then it shows you the cheapest one. So this place actually cost $50 on booking.com, and then I saw that on another app called Agoda. That's where the price was 25, so it was half price just because I booked it from a different app. So here is the toilet, and then balcony, and here's the bed. It's a pretty good price, I think, for Zanzibar, $25. I have a good understanding now of what you have to pay here in Zanzibar, so $25 for something that looks like this is a pretty good deal. So I'll be here for 3 days, edit one video, and also go on a boat trip tomorrow. And then I will be heading further up north, and that's where the good stuff is gonna start, with the best water and the best snorkeling. But I'm gonna see these huge turtles also tomorrow, hopefully. So I have a mosquito spray finally hit. It's some serious mosquito spray. So good pressure when you spray it, it's like hit. Look. I walked out to explore a bit and had come straight out to the ferry terminal right by the beach. So this is the ferry terminal here. You can take the ferry from here and go over to Dar es Salaam. It's on the mainland of Tanzania, and in here is where the ferry goes from. There's so many people here. Look. What is your name?
Hassan.
Hassan. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's a man.
William.
William.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Welcome Zanzibar.
Thank you. So I just spoke to some people here, and this is where I'm gonna take the boat from. Hello. Sorry?
Yeah, island today?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Where from?
Sweden.
Yeah. Tomorrow is come to this brand.
What time tomorrow you wanna make a trip?
Maybe. It was about 30 Celsius or 90 Fahrenheit outside, and it was so nice to walk right next to the water in the heat. The city of Stone Town in Zanzibar has a really good vibe, and I've met some really friendly people along my journey. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How's it?
Good. I need some water. Water?
Cold.
Cold, yes, you have cold. I just got some water, but it's really really hard to find food here. Like somewhere to eat, something to eat. Usually they have these little stands where you can buy some snacks, like some chips or something, but to find food has been really challenging. Hello. Do you have food?
Yeah.
Food. So this is the banana and curry. Really good. You have pieces of banana in here, and also really good curry. I had my food and it was actually really good. Curry, banana curry. And yeah, I liked it. I also got 2 bottles of water. Now I'm heading back to the hotel. And what else? Now I'm here. I met Marie from Germany, and her friend is here.
Yeah,
we are
stage manager
at the
very
festival.
Person.
We're at the festival, and there's gonna be lots of music tonight, right?
I think it starts tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
It looks like it starts tonight
Yeah.
because they seem to
So
be
that's
ready.
quite interesting. We're gonna go and film somewhere. Here is the stage manager of the festival. Stage manager and sound engineer.
Yeah, that's me.
She's saying it's one of the biggest festivals in East Africa, right?
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a really good time here.
Yeah, a very good time. For 3 days we have a lot of
days.
musicians from Africa and outside Africa, so please do go.
What kind of music do we have here?
We have a lot of like different kind of music. We have pop, Afro pop, African music,
Okay.
hip-hop, like everything, every music you know in the world.
Okay.
It's found here.
Perfect. We will
Yeah,
see
welcome.
how it is when I go there on Saturday.
Yeah. He will show
Okay,
you.
I will. Thank you.
What are your times?
Sometimes I wake up a bit late.
So it's our
So we've been walking around here for a bit, and there seems to be some market here. A bunch of people selling different things. Quite cool actually. And yeah, I met some nice people today. What is this? What is it? What's in it? What's in it? Halwa.
Halwa just for like the jam. Like
Oh, jam.
open is it now.
Okay.
This is a sesame and a nut inside there.
Jam. Oh, it's peanuts.
Peanut and
Ah.
sesame.
Ah, okay. This is Moses. He's now taking me to the spice shop.
Yeah,
He has vanilla and saffron.
Onion,
What else?
nutmeg, tea masala,
okay.
fish masala.
We're gonna see the spice.
Everything for the spice
Yeah.
here.
Good,
Zanzibar spices.
good. We're gonna go there now. Moses. Moses. Oh, vanilla.
Mr. Vanilla.
Okay. What is this? This is fruit.
Yeah,
Fruit. What kind of fruit is this?
this one is a raisin.
Raisin.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Raisin. Okay, good. How much does this cost?
Very cheap, but you are in market, more buy, more discount.
Roasted cashews. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. We had arrived to the Stone Town Market, where you can find so many different things to buy. Here we have the fish market. We're gonna look at the fish market real quick. A bunch of fish. Hello. How are you? I said goodbye to Marie, and I'm going back to where I'm staying and preparing for this boat trip tomorrow, also with my snacks. Finally I found some snacks, cashew nuts. 17,000, that was quite expensive actually. But cashew nuts are usually quite expensive. So like $8 US, pretty much. This is Monir here. He's the manager. Monir. Monir is the manager here in this hotel, right?
yeah.
Very good manager. Perfect. The best customer service. I'm back, and yeah, time to relax a bit, I think, and get ready for the boat trip. So unfortunately we cannot do a bed bounce test here because I have concluded that it would break right away. I'm a professional bed bouncer, as you might already know. So no bed bounce test here. Okay everybody, I think it's the end of the video. I might be posting some more videos on a regular basis from now on, so we will see how that goes. Maybe the quantity will beat the quality, but I'm also gonna try to continue making videos that have high quality, especially when I get up to the north part of the island where we have all the incredible beaches. We're gonna get some nice drone shots there and also some really good snorkeling shots underwater. Yeah, but in the next video don't forget to subscribe, because as I said earlier, I will be going to an island with huge turtles and some good snorkeling also outside of here from where I am now in Stone Town. So please leave the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel, click the red subscribe button below this video to see the next one, and also if you want, leave a comment. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.